Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to pay on Viagogo. The first thing you need to do is to open the Viagogo web app at viagogo.com and log in using your registered email and password. Then, on the Viagogo homepage, of course, after signing in, go ahead and use the search bar to find the search bar. Find the event you want to purchase tickets for. So let's say overseas. So browse through the events listings and click on the tickets you wish to buy. So let's say this is it. And I click on that. Once you select the tickets, you'll be redirected to a page where you can review the ticket details, including the price, seating options, and any additional fees, such as delivery charges. Double check the event details to ensure they are correct. How many tickets? One is fine. Then continue. So I have the row, which is here, row youths, one ticket remaining in this listing. Okay, I'm just going to click on that. So once you click on that, just review everything and click on select. And it's going to take you to the checkout page. You have 10 minutes to complete your purchase. Fine. I'm just going to click on start. Your price is locked. Now, here on the checkout page, go ahead and enter your credit and debit card details. Okay, so confirm. Okay, I'm just going to click on continue. All right. Special notes. If you want to add special note perks, you see it. So buying this as a gift. No, I'm not buying this as a gift. Your first time seeing what it says. Yes, I can't wait. Then click on continue. So, okay, now delivery says mobile tickets available. So, okay, continue. That's it. The payment method. So enter your card number, expiration date, CVV. Use any of the payment methods, or you can use an alternative payment method. So Viagogo offers PayPal, Google Pay, or it can even, they also offer a gift card option. So use any of that and select continue. So once you enter your payment details, ensure that they are correct, including total amount, which will include ticket price and any service or delivery fees. Now, after reviewing the payment details, go ahead and click on continue to finalize your purchase. Once the payment is processed, you receive a confirmation email with the ticket details and an order summary. The tickets will either be delivered electronically or physically, depending on the event's delivery method. And if you want to track your payment, go to My Hub and select My Orders to review the status of your purchase and tickets. Ensure that you have enough funds or credit in your account before completing the transaction, because of this timer that is just putting so much pressure on someone's body. So Viagogo charges a service fee on top of the ticket price, which will be shown at checkout. Now, if you encounter issues with the payment, don't forget to visit Viagogo customer support in the My Help section for assistance. So these are the accurate steps for making a payment on Viagogo. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.